In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to borrow money from AAVE. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you a basic guide on how to borrow from AAVE, the Decentralized Finance Protocol. Now, first, choose a wallet. Ensure that your wallet is compatible with the AAVE protocol. Popular options are going to include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet, but you can choose from various others. So now connect your wallet, visit the AAVE protocol website or application, and make sure that everything is properly connected, good to go. I'm not going to go over the setup process, so do this at your own time if needed. Now, for you to borrow funds from AAVE, you will have to deposit collateral. AAVE requires you to deposit collateral, which is an asset that you pledge to the protocol as a security for your loan. Now, the supported assets for collateral can vary, but typically they include popular cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and stablecoins. Now, when you go over to any of these coins that I mentioned, you will be able to choose the option to supply, which is essentially the collateral that you will be depositing. And once you choose supply, you will be able to go through the process of supplying it to that specific cryptocurrency wallet. After you go through the supply process where you can specify an amount, you will be able to borrow around 75% of what you supply. So if you go back to the same page at the right side of any crypto asset that you chose, you will be able to find the option to borrow. If you don't see the option to borrow, make sure that you deposited the collateral properly. And if you don't see it even after depositing the collateral, it could mean that you cannot borrow that specific cryptocurrency. But if you see the option, just review the terms and conditions, including the interest rate, and confirm the transaction using your wallet. So you will be able to proceed and borrow a specified amount that you want. Like I mentioned, it should be roughly 75% of what you deposited, and as long as you borrow it from here after depositing the collateral, you will be able to receive the cryptocurrency. You can repay your loan at any time, either in full or in part, and be aware that you will likely need to pay interest on the borrowed amount. I hope I was able to help you on how to borrow money from AAVE. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.